Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit an existing list in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy business account. Best Buy business, what's actually looking at you is the Best Buy regular, but just launch your Best Buy regular account and head over to the top corner of the screen where you have this Best Buy business. Click on that if you do not have a Best Buy business account already and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your business account. Now it's going to take 3 to 5 business days for Best Buy to approve of your business accounts. Now, once they do that, go ahead and check your email to see if your business has been confirmed. So once your business account has been validated, just go ahead and open up your business account, and I'm going to show you what next to do. This is how you can edit an existing list in Best Buy. From the home page of your Best Buy business account, you're going to see the My Inventory tab. Now go ahead and click on My Inventory at the left corner, top left corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you're going to find an extended menu, 4 options that says Offer List, Add an Offer, Import from File, and Catalog Management. So go ahead and click on Import from File. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to have this option that says Download an Excel file template for offers. So go ahead and click on Download an Excel file template for offers. You're going to find it at the right corner of your screen. Once you do that, select the offers from the drop down. Now you're going to see offers from Amazon. You're going to find offers from eBay. So go ahead and select the offers from the drop down under the Select a File Template to Download section and click on Generate Template button. Now once you click on that, go ahead and press the download button under the last generated template section to download your offer file. Now open your feed file and fill out the required fields. That's the next step. Now the first thing you're going to find is offer SKU, the offer's unique identifier in the shop. Once added, you cannot update it. You're also going to have to fill out your product ID, which is the unique identifier for your given product ID type. And you're also going to have to fill out your product ID type and the next to the offer price, offer quantity, offer state. Now to add an existing offer, you need to know the other seller's product ID and product ID type. Step 6, after adding all the required information, save the file and go back to the Import from File page, which is at the home page itself under the My Inventory menu tab. Now select a prepared feed file first from the source option, then select offers from the file content and set the import mode to normal. After that, press on the import to complete the process. To check the import status, just click on the Track Offer Import section at the left corner of the screen. On that page, you can see the listing created time and date, file name, origin, status of your uploaded file. You will get the whole report like lines read, lines processed, synchronized product, etc. Now you can also see if anything is wrong with the file of your uploaded file. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can edit an existing list in Best Buy using Best Buy Business. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.